If you haven't heard, two of the biggest online real estate marketplaces, Zillow and Redfin, are getting into the house flipping game. This could really disrupt the house flipping industry. Will Redfin and Zillow put flippers out of business? Find out on today's video coming up. Hi, it's Jerry Norton, and by nature, I'm an eternal optimist, but recent news of Zillow and now Redfin getting into the house flipping business is pretty alarming and could drastically change the way flipping takes place in our country. On this video, I'm going to share with you what these giant online marketplaces are doing and my take on how it will impact you and me and what you can do about it. But first, if we've never met, I'm Jerry Norton, and this channel is dedicated to helping you make more money right now in real estate, not in 10 or 20 years or 3 to 5 years, but right now so that you can achieve true financial freedom and live your dream life. Consider subscribing to my channel, click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. So first, let's talk about Zillow and what they're doing. In April of 2018, Zillow launched what's called Zillow Offers, which lets homeowners who want to sell their property receive an offer from Zillow with an analysis of their home's values. According to an article by Marketplace, Zillow seeks to buy, renovate, and then resell the properties in 90 days or less. Now, Zillow said as part of its long-term goals, it believes it can purchase 5,000 homes a month. As of this recording, the Zillow Offers program is only available in 7 markets, but they plan on being in 14 by the end of 2019. So what does this mean exactly? Homeowners will be able to get a cash offer from Zillow, but as of now, it doesn't appear that Zillow intends to wholesale the properties by relisting them for sale. They plan on fixing and flipping them. The question is, what is their buy criteria and how will their cash offers compare to other local wholesalers like you and me? Now, it is a pilot program, so the bigger question is, will it work? Rehabbing houses on a large and nationwide scale is not easy. Trust me, I fix and flip houses in several markets, and it has its challenges. In fact, Zillow said that it wants to flip the houses in 90 days, but so far, it's not achieving its 90-day sales goals. According to the article, Zillow said that in total, it has purchased 686 homes since Zillow Offers launched, but only sold 177. So much for fixing and flipping in 90 days. You tell me, what do you think? Can Zillow successfully fix and flip houses on a large scale? Leave a comment, I'd love to know your thoughts. Now, how will this impact you and me, and what can we do about it? We're gonna talk about it in a minute, but first let's talk about Redfin. Now, I think Redfin is a force to be reckoned with. The Seattle-based company went public in August of 2017. In my opinion, they are the most innovative with technology, and they seem to really embrace creative ideas. When it comes to analyzing deals to determine the ARV, I believe they are the best, hands down. I really like their mapping features and their other tools like their price per square foot. I have an entire playlist where I use Redfin to analyze real deals. Now, they launched their 1% listing service, challenging the status quo for real estate agents. They also have their own mortgage and title services, and similar to Zillow, recently launched a home buying program called Redfin Now, where they promise to give homeowners a cash offer in 24 hours. Now, the way they do it is actually really smart. A homeowner requests a quote. Redfin uses 1,000,000 data points such as year built, size, location, and for sure sold data that they own. Then they give the seller a price range. In other words, a ballpark offer price. If the homeowner is interested in the ballpark offer, Redfin does a site visit and gives a firm offer. This is actually really similar to how I do it and how I suggest that you do it as well. Watch this video where I break down how I pre-sell motivated sellers on the phone with a ballpark offer before meeting them at the property. Now, here's where the Redfin Now program is different than the Zillow Offers program. As of now, it's unclear if Redfin plans on fixing and flipping. They clearly state that they are simply relisting them for sale. In other words, wholesaling. Now, the alarming part about this is even if they don't make much on the turn, remember, they are striving to be a full service provider, offering agent services, mortgages, and title services, so they have multiple profit centers. That's hard to compete with. It's worth noting that the Redfin Now program is still a pilot program, and as of this recording, the program is only available in Orange County, Los Angeles, Riverside, San Diego, and most recently, Dallas. But they plan on expanding. Zillow and Redfin aren't the only large-scale cash buyers on the house flipping scene. 2 other juggernauts are OfferPad and Opendoor, which offer similar services. They are both only in like 13 or 14 different markets, but plan to expand. Opendoor plans to be nationwide by 2020. Now I'll leave some links in the description if you want to read up more about this, but what's the big takeaway from this? What can you and I learn, and what can we do? I have 3 tips or suggestions. Tip number 1 is, instead of fearing change, embrace it. It's happening. These companies have millions of dollars behind them, and they are investing in technology to make the selling process more streamlined and automated. In the next few years, they will be in every market, which means the discount home selling process to homeowners will eventually become mainstream. So know what's happening and know what's coming. Tip number 2 is, whenever an industry is being disrupted, find a way to reinvent yourself or go out of business. I believe the way to compete with these giant players is to win on the customer experience. Provide a better experience for the motivated seller. Think outside the box. Finding creative solutions other than paying cash will be the key. Tip number 3 is to find an unserved niche in your market. Zillow and Redfin and the other big dogs will have very specific criteria for the types of homes they'll buy. If the round peg doesn't fit in the round hole, they won't do the deal. There will be a lot of deals and opportunities that don't meet their parameters. Find the types of sellers they don't service. Personally, I think these disruptions are a good thing because it's going to take our industry to a whole new level, and frankly, it needs it. Only the best will survive, and the fly-by-night get-rich-quick flippers will become obsolete. The question is, which will you be? Hey, one way to have a competitive advantage in your market is to have a systematic way to manage all of the moving parts to flipping houses. So that's why I took my 15 years experience flipping hundreds and probably now thousands of deals over the years, and I created an all-inclusive cloud-based house flipping deal management system called Flipster. If you've never heard of Flipster, not only does it organize and streamline and automate all of the steps to flipping houses, but it actually finds and funds deals for you. It's really awesome, so whether you're looking to do your first deal or you're already flipping deals every month, Flipster can take you to that next level. If you're into flipping houses, you owe it to yourself to check it out. Just click the link in the description. Hey, if you learned something new on this video, show some love, hit that like button and leave a comment. Let me know if you think these big cash buyers will disrupt the house flipping industry. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm dedicated to helping you make more money in less time flipping houses so that you can live your dream life. And remember, it's not about the money, it's about having the time and freedom to have, be, do, and give everything you want in life. That's what it's all about, and I'll see you on the next video.